Hello everyone, welcome to our video presentation Arduino Project 2 SOS Beacon. Meet the team. The programmer, Miranda Jordan J. The video editor, Devilla Maria Isabel. The assembler, Ricafort Regine. And our second assembler, Bolo Julian Andre. Arduino Project 2 SOS Beacon. In this project, we'll use the circuit from our first project to create a Morse code generator. Morse code is a way to send message using a series of short signals and a quick blink for long ones with an LED. For instance, the word SOS would be 3 quick blinks for S and 3 slow blinks for O, according to Morse code. And here are the component lists or the materials we needed. Jumper cables made to mill 2 pieces, resistor 220R 1 piece, and 5mm LED 1 piece. Step 1. Place the LED on the breadboard. Step 2. Connect the longer leg or anode of the LED to digital pin 13 on the Arduino through a 220 resistor. Step 3. Connect the shorter leg or cathode of the LED to the ground pin on the Arduino. Step 4. Use jumper wires to make the necessary connections. And this is our source code. Digital write LED pin high, delay 250. Digital write LED pin low, delay 250. Delay 500, equivalent of 0.5 seconds. Digital write LED pin high, delay 750. Digital write LED pin low, delay 250. Delay 500, equivalent of 0.5 seconds. Digital write LED pin high, delay 250. Digital write LED pin low, delay 250. Result of SOS Beacon.